Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
Hey folks, how you doing today? So what we have here is a 1934 Groetchen Dice-O-Matic trade stimulator gumball vendor. Super nice machine. I looked it up in the book and they claim it's pretty rare. I would have to go along with that for the fact that probably only third or fourth one I've ever seen in my career. 1934, that's way back. 34, I mean, what is it pushing now? Like 85 years, something like that? This is that old gaming Al Capone type period gaming device. This is a penny machine. It's Dice-O-Matic, so it plays cards. This is a card vending machine. Come on up here, Jeff. Let's show them how it works. This is super cool. What I like is it's nice and complete. Still has the original key, snake key for the bottom, which is where you get the Mantiques. As you see, these are cards. The dice have cards on them, so you're playing a game of cards with this machine. What also is cool is it has its anti-cheat still in it, which works very good, which is here. The little ball sets on top of the pillar, so if you bounce it, right, boom, void. The game is void. The other nice thing about this machine, which I kind of thought was kind of neat and cool, is you put the penny in flat. Now this machine, show them right in here, this machine is going to flip that coin over and flip it down to this part of the game, right? So you can see, always they showed the coin to see if you were cheating, if you were putting slugs in it. Then it gives you a gumball every time. Once again, up here is the dice. As you see, the anti-cheat ball is back on top of it. Put another one. What did we win? So we got, well, we got 3 8s, right? 3 10s. Okay, so 3 of a kind here pays 2. Oh, so we won an extra penny. All right. And once again, a gumball every time. Little game works good. Original key. All of the original paperwork in it. Great little, these little dice games are super fun, super nice. This is where you put the gumballs in to load the gumballs. Okay. Here it's got a beautiful bottom on it. Original lock, snake key. Great little dice machine. These are really super popular, so if you'd like it, go ahead and get it. We'll get it out. We'll get it in a nice box, get it shipped out to you. 1934 Groetchen Dice-O-Matic trade stimulator, dice flipper, dice popper game that also gives a gumball. It's a great little rare machine. Somebody's going to really enjoy it. Hey folks, how you doing today? So we really want to tell you we appreciate you watching our videos. We've done about 1,600 of them to date, and you guys respond very nicely to it, and we really appreciate it. So if you like them, man, smash the subscribe button, right? Boom, hit the subscribe button and click on the reminder button, and if you do that, you will get reminded. There's a little bell there. Click on that. What we'd like you to do is make comments, and please make sure you share it with your friends. You guys are taking us to the top of the YouTube channel, and if you do those 3 things, you'll be able to see us real time, especially if you hit the bell to remind you. It'll come up every time on your phone. We try to do a lot of fun stuff for y'all, and we appreciate you watching our videos. So let's smash it, let's grab it, let's watch them, let's comment, let's send us comments, share it with your friends. If you do that, you'll take us to the top, and we would really appreciate it.
These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.